Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Valuable foreign exchange. Why not we complete those of our projects already under execution? Stop. For instance, our Nagarjun Sagar project in Andhra Pradesh has been taken up in the year 1956 and still it is incomplete. Stop. We have no money to complete the canals. Stop. The original estimate to complete this project was 90 crores, whereas we have already spent rupees 190 crores due to the inordinate delay and price spiral year after year. Stop. Every year a meager sum of about 5 to 10 crores of rupees is allotted for this project by the state government, out of which 5 to 6 crores go for the salaries of the staff working in the project and canals divisions. Stop. The present estimate is that we still need rupees 140 crores to complete this project in its entirety, when another 10 lakhs of acres would come under cultivation. Stop. Our Chief Minister has offered to give 9 to 10 lakh tons of rice to the central pool every year in case the centre provides a special aid of at least rupees 100 crores. Stop. The centre, I believe, will therefore be wise to accede the repeated requests of our Chief Minister to consider the Naga Arjun Sagar project as a national project and allot more funds outside the plan. Stop. I do not mean that only the Naga Arjuna Sagar project should be helped by the centre. Sagar, other important projects too, which could be identified as national projects, should be taken care of to enable the country to be self-sufficient in the matter of food stanza. Likewise, the power problems should also be tackled on a national scale. Stop. The recent coming into operation of regional grids is a welcome development. Stop. All steps should be taken to bring into being a national grid as soon as possible. Stop. Instead of wasting our monies and energies in starting a large number of power units here, there and everywhere, we should concentrate on 3 or 4 super thermal stations utilizing our immense reserves of coal. Stop. This would free us from the anxieties associated with the vagaries of rainfall and enable us to meet the ever-growing requirements of power for our industry and agriculture stanza. Before I pass on to other matters, I would like to say a few words on a thing which is agitating the minds of the people of Andhra Pradesh very much. Stop. For a long time now, they have come to believe that they could not achieve real industrial progress unless a steel project is located inside their state, which should be financed by the centre. Full stop. Over.